Hello students, now chapter 12 reflection. In this chapter, if a point P is reflected in x-axis, then coordinate of by, the sign of coordinate of by will be changed, and point P is reflected to y-axis, then sign of x coordinate will be changed. And if point P reflected by origin, then both मतलब कि एक्सेस बोथ मतलब कोऑर्डिनेट एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट एंड बाई कोऑर्डिनेट द साइन ऑफ बोथ कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी चेंज. Okay students, and if a point after reflection will be same, then this point is called invariant point. Okay students, now exercise 12A. Complete the following table. In this question, point first part 5 minus 7 ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फिल करना है. इमेज फाइंड होता है -5, 7 +5 साइन चेंज -5 -7 साइन चेंज +7. So transformation will be origin. So we fill in place of transformation origin. In if a transformation will by origin, the sign of both coordinate will be changed. Now second point 4, 2 reflected in x-axis. So image -4, 2. Since reflection in x-axis, then sign of by will be changed. So 4, -2 image, or reflection in y-axis equal image we find 0, 6. Since reflection in a y-axis, x sign of x will be changed, so we find 0, 6 original point 0, 6. Now D 6, -6 image -6, 6 sign both sign change, so transformation by origin. 4, -8 image -4, -8 sign of x will be changed, so transformation by axis, reflection in by axis. Okay, now question number 3, state the coordinate of the following points under reflection x-axis. X-axis, so 3, 2 and image -3, 2, or real point -5, 4 after reflection image 5, 4 and 0, 0 same 0, 0. State the coordinate of the following points under reflection by axis. After reflection by axis, sign of x will be changed, so 6 -3 is the original, and image -6, -3 -1, 0, so image 1, 0 -8, 2 image 8, -2. State the coordinate of the following points under reflection origin. Origin both sign will be changed, so -2, -4 image 2 comma 4, minus 2 comma 7, image 2 comma minus 7, 0 0 same. Question number 6, reflection in x axis, reflection in the line x equal to 0. X equal to 0, this is the bi-axis. X equal to 0, the name of bi-axis. So reflection after bi-axis, minus 6 comma 4, image 6 comma 4, 0 comma 5 same, minus 3 comma minus 4, image minus 3 comma 4. Sign of x change. Next question number 7, bi equal to 0, this is the x axis. So by sign of bi change in image, minus 3 comma 0, minus 3 comma 0, 8 comma minus 5, image 8 comma 5, minus 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 3, so image minus 1 comma 3. Okay students, now example number 7. Use graph paper this question. The point A 2 comma 3, B 4 comma 5, C 7 comma 2 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Write down the coordinate of A dash B dash C dash if A dash B dash C dash is the image of triangle ABC when reflected in the origin. Next part, write down the coordinate of A double dash B double dash C double dash if triangle A double dash B double dash C double dash is the image of the triangle ABC when reflected in x-axis. Next, last part, mention the special name of the quadrilateral BC, C double dash B double dash and find its area. Solution. See the graph paper. First plot point A 2 comma 3, B 4 comma 5, C 7 comma 2. Now find A dash B dash C dash, image of ABC after reflection origin. After reflection origin, sign of both coordinate x y sign change. So minus 2 comma 3, image minus 2 comma minus 3. Plot this point minus 2 comma minus 3 and B 4 comma 5 after reflection origin, B get minus 4 minus 5 image. So plot minus 4 minus 5 and C 7 comma 2 after reflection origin, B find image minus 7 minus 2. Plot this point and join A dash B dash C dash. Now again, after reflection ABC or by x axis, B find coordinate of 2 comma 3, image 2 comma minus 3. Plot these point and B 4 comma 5, image 4 comma minus 5, 7 comma 2, image 7 comma minus 2. Plot these points and write A double dash B double dash C double dash. And for the last third part, B join B C, C double dash B double dash and B also. So B C C double dash B double dash is the trapezium and area of trapezium 1/2 sum of parallel side B B double dash plus C C double dash into distance between them. So 1/2 into 10 plus 4 into 3. Answer 21 square units. Area of trapezium 1/2 sum of parallel side into height. So 1/2 into 10 plus 4 into 3 equal 21 square units. Okay students.